Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a $500 per day producing system that you can copy. And this isn't just any normal copy and paste system. We're talking about you being able to copy my YouTube videos, you being able to copy all of my traffic strategies, copying my emails, copying exactly what I do every day as I do it. This is super exciting. I'm going to show you guys the results. I'm going to show you guys this process. I'm going to show you guys exactly in this video how you can copy the whole entire things. No tricks, no gimmicks whatsoever. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon for all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because we're in day 30 of a case study series where I'm showing my students how to go from zero to generating $10,000 per month, working very, very part-time, just like I am. So without further ado, let's jump into the computer. Let's add up these results here. Now you can see this is the first income stream right here. We've got numerous income streams that you're able to earn commissions off of, and you don't have to do any extra work whatsoever. It's really, really powerful. So income stream number one, 3224. We'll round down just to make this easy. No cents or anything like that. So we're going to add that into the good old iPhone that you can see right here. And then let's go ahead and let's add this next income stream. Again, this started on the actual 23rd of March. So we're going to add 666 plus 468. These are the two payouts so far right here. We do have pending commissions right here. So let's scroll down here and add the 126 that's right here. And then let's also add the 774 that we have right here. So far, that's $5,200. Let's keep going. We've got E1U Life, which is the next income stream. And we'll show you the system exactly that allows us to make these multiple streams of income. By the way, you can see here, 13,342. 2,000 of that is actually not legitimate income because it's a duplication. So that's $11,342. So that puts us at roughly 16,600 so far. And then we've got this one right here, which is 1487. Let's add that here. That puts us at 18,000. And then the second to last income stream, 1,456, puts us at 19,000. And then let's go ahead and let's add the very last one, which is the good old YouTube channel. That's 3,597. That puts us at $23,000, 141. We'll divide that by 30 days. Guys, that's $771 per day on average, because of this very system that you're able to copy. So let's go ahead, let's break down the system. Let's go ahead and pull up the actual mind map of the system and walk you guys through this. So we have step one, or phase one, which is traffic, right? Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. With affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, it's great because you don't have to worry about product fulfillment. You don't have to worry about selling and telling, setting up sales pages. You don't have to worry about being the absolute expert. All you need to do is send traffic to the high converting proven product, and then the product owner takes care of the rest. Product fulfillment, taking care of the customers, showing up, doing live Zoom calls, all of that stuff. So if you master traffic, everything else is taken care of. And that's the biggest problem, by the way, is mastering the game of traffic, being consistent enough every single day so you can constantly get a fresh new set of prospects seeing your affiliate products every single day. It's so hard because you have to be putting out content every single day. You have to be paying for traffic every single day. And as soon as you stop doing that, the traffic stops in most cases, or it dwindles down. So you need to keep that faucet on, and imagine that water coming into a bucket. As long as that water is flowing into the bucket, that bucket is filling up with prospects. And as soon as you turn that faucet off, no prospects, right? No water is flowing. So, and if there's no water flowing, there's no money popping out the other end. And so what we need to do is we need to master traffic. So I would highly recommend choosing one strategy and mastering that. So I decided to master YouTube traffic. Now, the great thing about this is you can implement my multiple traffic strategies because you're copying my assets. In most cases, you just want to focus on one, but you're able to copy my YouTube traffic, my YouTube videos. You're able to copy my emails. You're able to copy my Facebook traffic. In this specific video, we're going to be implementing the Facebook traffic strategy and the email traffic strategy. If you want to learn how to implement the YouTube traffic strategy, there's a playlist below in the description, and that will start you off at video 1. You want to make sure you watch that whole entire playlist because it shows you how to upload my YouTube videos so you can also start earning money from these multiple income sources. I run you through all the income sources in detail so you know what they are, how they work, so you can get set up with them and start making money from them, okay? So once we do this, we complete step 1. We do that every single day. Again, this is all done for you. We have what's called the sales funnel or the sales process. It looks something like this. You may have been through this. You come to what's called a capture page. The prospect enters an email address. They get something of value for free through what's called an email autoresponder. So when they click this button, automatically through email, they are receiving a series of emails every single day. And an online software does all this for me. So it's all automated. Now on the thank you page right here, they click access video 1 here. They'll come to the first video, they'll watch the video, and you'll be able to upload these videos on your own YouTube channel. Again, the playlist below will show you how to do that. And then your prospects will start watching all of the different videos in your playlist, giving them value. And then also within each of these videos, there's affiliate links as well. So for example, the description of this video, all these steps have affiliate links in them. When the prospect clicks these links, they buy the products, you get paid. And that's how the process works. So, and this process repeats itself each and every day. So you have your YouTube videos that go out every single day to these prospects through email. And again, an autoresponder software does all this for you. And the YouTube videos go to these multiple offers. And these emails also go not only to the videos that goes to the multiple offers, but goes to the multiple offers as well. And so you have step 1, step 2, and step 3 is this entire system with the YouTube videos. Pretty amazing. So then because this is set up right here, all you need to do is worry about the Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, and email traffic. All you need to do over here is implement the Facebook swipes that I have, the email swipes that I have, and then also just simply upload my YouTube videos right here. Do that once a day and you will be well on your way to start earning big commissions. We're talking about $500, $2,000 plus commissions, working very part-time, leveraging my system. And I like to do this because it allows me to help you fish. And then eventually at some point you can fish for yourself, right? Give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish, feed him for life. And that is the idea here. So what we're going to do in this video, now that you understand exactly how this works, what you need to do is step 1 is you need to get set up with these multiple income streams that I've shown you here. Okay, the links for those income streams will be below. And you also need to make sure that you watch the playlist. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be taking some action. And to do that, you need access to some of these income streams. You need access actually to all of them. So for example, we're going to use MLGS, which is this My Lead Gen Secret right here. This is really cool because this gives you email traffic automatically right out of the gate from day 1. Email traffic allows you to get leads instantaneously. You get 100 leads per day with MLGS. With YouTube and Facebook traffic, you have to understand that that builds up over time. You're not going to get traffic from the get-go. It's going to take time to build up when it comes to YouTube and Facebook. In other words, you have paid traffic right here and you have free traffic. Free traffic takes time to build up. There's like a snowball effect. Paid traffic, you're actually paying for instant leads and possible customers. So we want a combination of both. So what we're going to do in this video is we're actually going to create a message in MLGS. So you want to make sure you get MLGS below in the description. We're going to click on create message. We're going to go over here to the latest swipe here. And again, if you're brand new, click the link below, go over to this swipe file and start with email 1. Start with whatever email you're on at this stage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with email 16. So I'm going to copy the subject right here. We're going to jump over to MLGS. We're going to click on select all here. We're going to paste our subject, and then we're going to jump back over to our swipes here. We're going to take the body, which is going to be right here. Okay. This is the body, and we're going to copy and paste this, and we're going to replace the links here and here with our own funnel links. Remember the funnel I was talking about? This is a funnel right here. Again, in the video series below the playlist, I show you how to set up this very funnel. So again, let's jump back here and let's copy the body. Let's copy this. And we're going to go ahead and paste. And the cool thing about this is when we send this out, these potential customers are going to go through this whole entire process. They're going to go from the email to the opt-in that I just showed you right here. From there to the system, they're going to start receiving the YouTube videos. My YouTube videos, I do all the selling and telling for you. It will promote all these multiple offers for you so you earn the big commissions. And also, you're going to be able to implement my email follow-up series within an autoresponder that's also sent out. And that sends out offers as well as the YouTube videos like I explained. So you're really selling and promoting, providing value from multiple angles. This is so freaking powerful, you guys. So let's jump back over here. Let's go ahead and eliminate the bolding that we have here. Let's move up these lines a little bit. And leave that here. And you can see you'll want to put your funnel link right here. Okay, so highlight that, click the anchor text link, and this is going to be https www.yourfunnel.com, right? I've already got mine inserted here, as you can see. So you're going to insert yours right here, also right here. Then once you're done, you click on perfect timing and send email. Okay, once that is sent out, which it will be, you can see it's in queue. You can go to the stats page on home. You can check out all the stats right here. For your emails, you can go to statistics as well right here and check out the stats, and you're done there. The next homework, of course, is to upload the latest YouTube video. Again, go through the playlist. I will also link the specific videos below that you need to watch to implement this strategy here. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and now implement the Facebook strategy. So the next Facebook swipe that will be available in this swipe file, I'm just going to go to my Facebook homepage here, my wall, and you're going to post this exact post right here. Again, I'll copy that in the swipe file here, but all you need to do is click on right here. And then what you'll do is make sure, of course, this text is copied. And then you'll click here, and then you'll select this one. You can select really whichever one you want. Go ahead and paste it, and then click on post. And then what you'll do is you'll follow up with those prospects just like we did in the last video. Okay, so we've got 3 ways working for us. We got Facebook, YouTube, email traffic. Everything that I covered in this video, the resources will be below in the description to implement all this. Just follow the steps in this video and follow the steps below, and you will be well and off and on your way to making money online, working part-time, making a passive income where you can make up to $10,000 per month passively by implementing my proven assets that I've used to create the results that you saw at the beginning of this video. It's really, really amazing, really cool. I don't see really anybody else doing what I'm doing right here, right now. So we've got the Facebook traffic working, the YouTube traffic, and the email traffic. Complete the steps below, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.